I'm going to roast it and I'm going to make sesame butter. So follow me in this journey. Mom and Lamin. Hello guys, welcome to Amuna Foods. Today we are here to this place called Spicy Foods. That's where we get most of our African foods. But this journey today is to buy. I want to show you how to buy the right kind of sesame if you want to make that, even for just eating as a snack or for making sesame butter. So I want to show you the right way, the right one to buy. Come in with me. Here we are. Sesame. They're quite pricey actually, but natural sesame seeds. When you see this one is hulled, when you see it hulled, it may look white and clean and nice, but it just does not taste the same as the original sesame. It doesn't have the same flavor. So I usually avoid this one. It's nice, it's clean and nice, but they have washed it, they have removed the outside part, which actually gives you the real authentic flavor of sesame. So the one that I usually buy is something that looks like, you can see it's darker, and it is natural sesame seeds. You see the smaller ones as well. You can see the difference. This just doesn't taste the same. So avoid it. I want to buy the one that is just natural, that has not been washed. Yeah. So this is what I wanted to show you, and I'm going to make I'm going to roast it and I'm going to make sesame butter. So follow me in this journey and you'll see it the whole way up to the plate, up to the mouth. Thank you. The price has gone up. You know, it never used to be up to £7, but you know, if you want it, you have to get it. There's no shortcut about it. So this is what we're going to buy. There's no other option. This one just with little packets. Natural, but it's too little. What can I do with that one? This is the one that I want. In fact, it would be nice. Only this one. They have actually, they usually have different types, you know, of from different companies. But today, this is the one that we have found. So I think I'm going to take only one. I'm going to take only one. I'll take only one. Yeah. Wang lubanga kiet wolo, ita be